Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, it is now 5:25 and we are going to work now. My duty will start at 6. My travel time is around 15 minutes. Sa akin ang bituin, walang kupas ang ningning, ligaya kang walang hanggan, ako'y sa'yo. Good afternoon guys. We're going to buy something from the grocery. I'll be there tomorrow, and we're going to buy maybe eggs or something else. I don't know. You know, I am a little bit conscious because I don't have cup. People will see my haircut. Like always, $3 egg. We're going to make a dessert, something like I do in the restaurant before. And I need Nestle cream and condensed milk.
Thank you for shopping with the freshman people.
Yeah man, that's easy. Yeah, I will be day off tomorrow and this is going to be my food. It is now 5:36. Yeah, and I'm going to make a coffee. Look at this. I have this rice. It is in the chiller, but I don't like it. It's already spoiled. I need to wash this. Yeah, and this is my garbage. Look, I just took it from the chiller. Yeah, I have some more that I need to throw. Like this aioli, creamy aioli. This is a long time ago. Oh, this is yeah, this is expired. And this also cream, thickened cream, expired long time. Yeah, expired on June 14. Also, I think this also expired on June 19. Yeah, and this one is salted shrimp brace, but you know, I don't like this kind. Look at this, is already the molds inside. Oh, look at this chocolate. This is yeah, you know, this is one of the disadvantages if you are alone in the house. Yeah, you're going to look what I have now. I have an egg here, and this is the new one that I just bought. This is the Lamington. This cheese also, it feels very hard already. This is a dry mushroom. I will keep that there. And you know, in the freezer, oh, this is mixed berries. This is good. This is burger patty. I'm going to throw. Eggplant. I will keep that. Mixed vegetable. I will keep that. And this is one piece of muffin. I will keep that. This is a frozen chicken. Yeah, I will use this for soup. And you know this. Look at this. This ice cream. I bought it when I first arrived here in Nelson Bay. This is almost 2 years. I have this inside for almost 2 years. Because you know, I don't really like ice cream, but something like emergency food. Look how it looks now. It's vanilla flavor. Yeah, it's very sticky now, but I'm going to throw it now. Yeah. Yeah, like what I said, that is the disadvantage if you are alone in the house. But you know, like this, honey, peanut butter, things like that, it lasts longer. Like this. And the advantage of living alone is that, yeah, you have freedom. You can do anything. You don't need to worry about somebody else, someone else in the room or in the house. Yeah, you can sing, you can dance, you can do anything you want. You have freedom. Yeah, I think that's it. But it's a little bit lonely when you're alone in the house. But with me, yeah, I just took this uniform from outside because it's starting to rain again. Yeah, it was raining this morning, and I will keep on hanging it here until it gets dry. Yeah, you know, I am also leave day today, so like in this week's schedule I have 4 days off. Yeah, the 3 are all together and this one is separate one. Yeah, I'm just staying here at home. It is good that it is raining this day. I checked the forecast and there will be a rain today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. So it's good for Australia, because you know previously there is a drought that is happening in Australia, and I've seen in the news that there are so many animals that are dying. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, this is my break time, and this is my bike, and I charged my bike. This is the charger. It was raining this morning. I have this rain jacket and rain trouser. Good afternoon, guys. The same. I finished my duty. I signed out at 2:30. Today is not really busy. 70 people for the breakfast, and it was good. It was raining when I come to work this morning. Yeah, I am fully covered with my rain jacket and my rain trouser. So here I am. Oh baby, please tell me, and where do broken hearts go? Can we find a way home? The clouds are moving very slowly, but if you do a time lapse with this, I think it is going to be very good. But not today. Yeah, some other day. Yeah, they demolished the house there and they are building new one. Make it someday, 'cause I know down inside you are mine and I'm your true love. Yo, break it down. You know, when I was young, I always sing. Yeah, I sing in the street, in the neighborhood, and the people around me are telling me that I am a good singer. But you know, as I grew older, I keep on singing because I like singing, but then I realized that I'm not really good in singing. I just love to sing. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm always singing, mate. Singing makes me happy. Yeah.